Gross geometry. This video series talks about the more wordy side of geometry, and let's get started with a bunch of dots. What conjecture can you make about the number of dots in the nth term? Now, conjecture is like, what true statement or fact can you make about what's going on here? Well, one term is one dot. Great. Two terms is 5. So 1 becomes 1, 2 becomes 5, 3 becomes, what is that, 11? Ugh, that's a terrible band. And 4 becomes 19. So what I immediately see is with 2, 3, and 4, it looks like I have 2 squared living here and I add 1. 3 squared, add 2. 4 squared, add 3. So that's how I'm going to approach it. I'm going to think my number term squared, and then I'm going to add the number less than that. So the way that we would show that is we would say plus n minus 1. But in order for that to be true, it has to be true for all. I didn't test that with 1 because, I can't really see that well with 1 as far as what I'm doing. But, if I do 2, it is 2 squared, 4, plus 2 minus 1, which is 1. So that works. So it works for you. 3 squared plus 2, 4 squared plus 3. This would be 1 squared plus 1 minus 1, which becomes 1 plus 0. So it does work. So we found our conjecture. So let's put this in a nice little statement. What conjecture can you make of the number of dots? There are n squared plus n minus 1 dots in the nth term. We'll write that there because I ran out of space. But yeah, that's what a conjecture means in this case. So this required us to think a little bit harder, and we did, and we got it right. Good job, everybody.